Hey guys, this is Julian with Juleon Tech Reviews, and we're here with another video. And today we got something a little bit different. We have the iPhone FineWoven wallet with MagSafe. Now, I'll throw the link up in the description. You can buy these on Apple's website or at Amazon, and the retail price is $59. And these are some of the nicer accessories that Apple provides. Of course, it's about 60 bucks, so you're gonna pay an arm and a leg. And we're gonna talk about some of the things I like about it and some things I don't like about it. And we're gonna do all that, but before we do that, please like, subscribe to this channel. We greatly appreciate it. Thanks for all the love and support. Without further ado, let's get started. So as I mentioned, these are the iPhone FineWoven wallet MagSafe, and it is designed with both style and function in mind. So it does have the ability to store your credit card or IDs. Apple doesn't really claim how many you can stuff in there, but based on my testing, you can do about 3 or 4. It supports Find My, so you'll be able to be notified of your wallet's last known location if it gets separated from your phone. It's made with a durable micro twill. The material has a smooth, seamless feel, so you're not going to, have any bad feels, I guess. And the material is made from 100% post-consumer recycled content and significantly reduces the carbon emissions compared to leather. So that's why they don't do leather no more. The wallet features a strong built-in magnet to allow it to snap effortlessly on your phone. And you can even stack it on top of other MagSafe accessories, which is what we have here. And we're going to test that today. So here we go. We got 2 colors here. This is like the fox orange and this is navy. And I accidentally bought 2 on Amazon. So that's that. But it was actually a blessing in disguise because I can show you a before and after comparison, because I did use these 2 wallets to test a couple of things. I wanted to test to see if this gets dirty, which it does. I'm gonna go ahead and give you the heads up on that one. And if this one, the darker colors for the wallet, the MagSafe wallet, is better for your iPhone. But we're gonna test that today. And I have my trusty iPhone 17 Pro Max in the cosmic orange. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open up what's in the box. So you get this little small box here, and when you open it up, I'll just show you what's in the retail box. You have your item here. Now be careful when you order from Amazon, because apparently I bought this brand new and it's got marks on it. So, it is what it is. Amazon, Schmamazon. And then you get this nice booklet, and this tells you designs by Apple, no stickers. So no frills when it comes to the unboxing. And you're gonna get the same presentation with the navy. So let's take a look at what we have. So the material, as it's mentioned, is feels like a little satin, but it has a small textured pattern here. So it feels like it's woven on the front and the back side. And as you can see, it comes with somewhat of a thick holder here. And you can pull that out to start your journey with your MagSafe wallet. This is like maybe 2. So I think I've been using it for 3. So I'll just show you quickly what I've been using. So I have about 3 cards in here, as you can see. And they're pretty simple to pull out. You can just kind of like push up and, that's that. And then you slap it on your iPhone right here. And one thing I do like about the wallet, when you have it attached to your iPhone, it gives it a little bit more girth. So when you're holding the phone, it doesn't feel as skinny in your hand. Because if I hold it like this, I don't feel, there's like a pocket of space right here that, you kind of have to push in to kind of give your hand secured on the phone. But however, when you put the MagSafe wallet there, it fills that gap, and you just have a very comfortable feel when you're holding it. And it definitely feels good in your wallet. You can put in your wallet really easy because it's literally not adding, that much to it. It's actually on the same level almost as this, the bump on this case I have here. So just keep that in mind. Okay. Now, I've been using this for the week. Let me tell you my experience about it. So it does have the Find My feature attached to it. When you put it on, it gives you this MagSafe symbol because it's an Apple product and it recognizes it's an Apple product. It doesn't give you tracking other than the fact that you detached it, and you can feel the detachment from the MagSafe, and then it'll also give you an alert. Sometimes it'll give you the alert that says your last location where it was disconnected. Now, if you go into Find My, you can see the wallet is here. And then it tells you where the last known location is. You can't beep it. You can't give it a notification ring. It'll let you know when it's detached. Notification. That's it. So that's one thing. It's kind of a disappointment, but I understand, because where can you put, such MagSafe battery or whatever in here? I don't know. I'm sure they can figure it out, but it is what it is. That's about the extent of the Find My app for your wallet. And then let's talk about another thing. Functionality, or excuse me, cosmetically. So this is me using this for maybe 2 weeks, week and a half. And this is supposedly, when it comes to you brand new, this is what it looks like. So that's the only one of the strikes about it, is that this FineWoven wallet gets very dirty. And I was kind of leery about that because it doesn't make it look very clean when you put it on your phone. When I first put it on my phone, it was nice and bright orange, but as you can see, it has this kind of like darker patina. But let's just look at what it looks like. When it first got it, it looks like this. Looks like what's on the, advertisements or pictures and things like that. So it led me to believe that maybe I need to get a darker color as opposed to a lighter color for my wallet. So that's why I bought this one. And I used this for about 4 days. And this is what it was supposed to look like beforehand. And this is what it looks like after. So even though it's darker, it kind of gives you this little ash part of it. And then also the colors. I really wanted the orange to pop with my orange back because it looks better and cleaner that way. So I just really don't like the dark navy. It doesn't go well, and it gives you kind of these white fuzzies ball right here. I mean, I really like the leather better. So I don't understand why Apple, moved away from the leather, recycled material, I guess. But, this is, what it looks like. So here's the two before, after, and then here's the navy one for the darker one. So they have a multitude of colors, and it's up to you which one looks best. But for $59, I expected a little bit more. I feel like it's, somewhat like I'm getting gypped or something like that. Oh, there's the notification that, where my wallet was left. So you have the dark green color, which it looks good with a dark green case, but, I'm not sure what it looks like after use. Deep blue, evergreen. I have the fox orange. It looks great on the promo pictures, but I'm just not a huge fan of that after using it. However, there is some saving grace on this. Even though it gets dirty, the benefits of having just something so subtle and simple and minimalistic as this on your phone adds a load. And I've reviewed this ESR wallet. I'm gonna bring that in, this leather wallet, which has a kickstand, and it has a Find My feature where you can actually page it. I really like that about it. However, it does provide a little bit more girth to your phone than you should. With this one, as I've shown you before, when I close my hand to the phone, I can feel, just a little bit of this support from the wallet. But with this one, you put it on, it's almost like you got two wallets, and it just kind of extends your hand, and it doesn't necessarily feel great. And then when you put it in your phone in your pocket, this thing sticks out to the where it basically needs to, detach and make it a secondary wallet, which kind of defeats the purpose of having a MagSafe wallet because you want to keep it on it all the time. Now, the MagSafe on here is very excellent. Anything with Apple and products and accessories that have MagSafe is going to be one of the strongest batteries there. I mean, here's my little shake test. And I'm trying my hardest to slam it down. And as you can see, you have to put forth a lot of effort. And that's pretty cool that you can do that. So another thing they say is that there's no obstruction when it comes to your MagSafe. So even though this is here and it's using the MagSafe, it's so strong that you can use another item for MagSafe. So I'm gonna try another wallet. And there's 2 wallets there. So that's how strong it is. You can put 2 wallets on there, or you can put like maybe a charging accessory. I have another MagSafe product here. It's on there. You can kind of make it a dual, like a case, stand, wallet, stand. So it's not the strongest, but it does work. So, you know, here's my other MagSafe wallet, and I can pick that up. So as you can see, there's a lot of benefits to having the FineWoven wallet from Apple. I would just suggest you choose your colors wisely, because it will deteriorate, or it will make it dirty. And if you have like blue jeans and things like that, it could stain it. However, it's really tough for me to give this up because I really do like the functionality of this. So maybe next time Apple could provide me with a, somewhat cleaner solution. That's just my opinion. But I am definitely going to give it a consideration to keep it, because I do love the design of it, and I love the functionality of it, and I love the color that it goes with my Cosmic Orange. So Fox Orange and Cosmic Orange collide to create this masterpiece, in my opinion. Well, that's all I had. Let me know what you think below. Are you picking up one of these finely woven wallets from Apple to continue the MagSafe succession line from Apple? I am. And if you are, just let me know in the comments below. This is Juleon Tech Reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for all your support. Peace.